Now, splitting of digits. We check the matching of a single digit using the regular expression. We have also checked the matching of a double digit using the regular expression. Now let's check the matching and extracting by splitting of the digits. We will do the splitting of the digits here with the help of the regular expression. So example number 5, first input regular expression library, and then x equals to there were 65 people. Y equals to re.findall of backslash with a d inside the quotes and then comma x, take the print of y, it will return the output 6 separate and 5 separate inside the list. As I told you, we are doing splitting of the digits. So first we import the regular expression library and then x equals to there were 65 people. This information in the computer memory has been saved with the name x. So whenever you want to access this information, you have to call x. You don't need to interrupt this whole thing. You simply call x. This x is this one. And then y equals to re regular expression dot find all of backslash with a d inside the quotes comma x. This backslash with a d expression, which is the regular expression. This is the regular expression. Its job is to split the digits. It splits the digits and make them separate. And then when you take the print of y, which is this y, your 6 will be separate inside the quotes, your 5 will be separate inside the quotes. It is actually 65, but they have been splitted with the help of this regular expression. 6 is separate and 5 is separate. That's what splitting of digit means. We split the digits in singular form.